Why is MovieBox not available on Play Store or App Store? Hi, welcome to Gtechai Fix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on why MovieBox is not available on your Play Store or App Store. Before now, MovieBox have been available on our Play Store and App Store, but the reason why you can't find it there now is because of copyright issue. MovieBox is a third-party app and do not reach Play Store standard and policy. But the good news is MovieBox team are working towards meeting up with Play Store standard and to restore it in Google Play Store. For now, I would advise you not to download the MovieBox app from any unofficial source to avoid bugs and virus. That is why Google Play Store don't have it on its app for now. So I believe with this, you have known why MovieBox is not available on Play Store or App Store. If this video was helpful, do want to like this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.